These coins were made in bronze. Countries bordering in India oceans use shells as a medium of exchange. Is that clear for you? And next one is currency. After the coins, okay, coins are not only metal coins, more coins. Okay, first Chinese introduced the coins, that is bronze. Okay, the coins were made in bronze. Afterwards, the countries bordering the Indian Oceans use shells as a medium of exchange. They are used the shells as a medium of exchange, border of the country. Okay, and not only in bronze coin, there are gold coin, silver coin, and metal coin. The gold and silver is values in important. Okay, the value is important, and the put a fixed value and a standardized value of gold and silver coin. So that's why it is not comfort to exchange the goods. Okay, so that's why they are making the metal coins, that is lesser value. So the currency is introduced that after the coins. Okay, so then only the currency note is introduced. The period is 600 before common era. And King Islets of Ladia announced publicly that official currency will be used for trade. The king Islet is only introduced the currency notes. Okay, and Ladia is a part of Turkey today. Okay, it is Ladia. It's one of the places. It is a part of the Turkey today. This transaction of money spread throughout the Mediterranean region. Okay, so the currency note is through the area, it is spread out the through Mediterranean region. And next one is gold coin. Gold coin, the florin, a gold plated coin was introduced in Europe. Okay, so the coins வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா first bronzeல தான் கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. Then only the gold coin is introduced. It is introduced in the Europe. Okay, it is introduced in the Europe. And next one is Marco Polo. He only spread out the currency notes because he take more travels around the world. So that's why he introduced the currency notes. Maximum the paper money spread to Europe through the travels of Marco Polo. And printing of currency 1661 after death. Okay, these are all before common era, and gold coins is after death. Common era, this is common era. Okay, these are all the common era. Okay, and then Marco Polo also common era. The printing currency is also